This is Mr. Field. This is the first video for the 2024-25 school year for my math classes. I'll be teaching Math 8 and Accelerated 2, and this video is for both classes because both will be running a flipped classroom. So this approach may be new for you, but I want to show you day by day how learning will happen using this model in class and at home. So let's look how it works day by day. On Friday, you'll receive a video assignment. I'm going to send this video out this Friday, even though our first day of school is Monday. No pressure. You don't have to do anything because you can wait till Monday. But for those early adopters, feel free to watch this video to prepare, because that is what you're going to get to do every Friday. Where will you find it? Once we get rolling, you'll find it on Canvas as an assignment. Every video will be through Edpuzzle so that we have the data about who's watched it, when they've watched it, and how much. And it will also have a link to your Khan Academy assignments. This will give you time to work at your own pace over the weekend and during Monday's class to complete the video, take your notes, and try each assignment for a score. Monday night is your deadline to do that. You should submit all those completed problems in the video notes, as well as something called your traffic light problems. This is a Google form that will allow you to label the assignment as red, yellow, or green, just like a traffic light. Red would mean you want me to stop and go over some questions from that assignment because you do not understand it yet. Yellow would mean you are starting to understand it, but you definitely want to practice it more in class, and you're going to need time to do that and ask any questions you have. And green means you are comfortable with the material, you understand it, you earned 100%, you're ready to go. You might be asked to explain the material in class or even take an assessment. So you're going to label each assignment based on those colors. And Tuesday is when we dive into the work. We have a brand new textbook for the year. We are going to get into that on Tuesday, review any key concepts. And if you've taken notes from the video, this day will be pretty easy for you as the video will cover the textbook material. Tuesday through Thursday is going to be data-driven instruction, because I'm going to use the information from your traffic light problems to focus on the areas where you need the most help. I'm going to create interactive lessons and practice sessions based on that. The class activities will compromise group work, discussions, hands-on practice, real-world applications, and targeted reviews, and individualized support to ensure everyone understands the material. That's the goal. Because on Friday, we are going to have our assessments, because we have been doing all that work, and now Fridays is when we check your understanding, and then we know what learning it still needs to be reinforced. Also, if you finish your test early on Friday and you have time remaining in class, then you can start the next week's video and start to get ahead. So what's your role? Your role in this process is to be proactive and prepared. You got to watch the video, take notes, and you can rewatch it if necessary. You got to complete your assignments on time with your best effort. Submit your traffic light problems by Monday night, honestly and thoughtfully. And then Tuesday through Thursday, when you go home, you want to try your assignments again, because on Monday night, you are just completing the assignments for a score. That score doesn't need to be 100% on Monday because we haven't practiced in class. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're practicing in class. So you want to take that new learning, go home and try your assignment again and try to get 100%. You should have all 100% before you take the quiz on Friday. In class, your role is to engage in the activities and discussions, and of course, to ask questions based on what you didn't understand. Why does this work? So the benefits of a flipped classroom are that you get to learn at your own pace as much as we can make that happen. You can pause the video, you can rewind it, revisit the material as needed. This allows me to give you more in-class support. We can focus on the areas you find challenging. This will help you be better prepared for the test. You'll have time for continuous review and practice to ensure you're ready. And my favorite, this will give us more class time to answer that question. When are we ever going to use this stuff? We'll have time to, if everybody's understanding the material, we'll have time to go to those higher levels and really look at how math is used in the real world. So let's get started. Your first flipped assignment will be for content from the textbook will be this Friday. This is really your first flipped video, but this Friday will be that, your first math video. And it will be due Monday night along with your traffic light problems. So as soon as you see that video, click play, get a piece of paper or get a notebook and a pencil and start taking those notes. And you'll be ready to go.